Yes, we are coming back to QV Melbourne, and today we are going to try local hero Singapore again, but this time without the pork. Local hero Singapore, and this is the famous chicken rice, originally from Singapore. Even though it's called Hainanese chicken rice, but if you go to Hainan, you will not find this thing because this is originally from Singapore. Not Malaysia, not Indonesia, even though Malaysia has it. Okay, that's a chicken. Yum yum. Woohoo. And all the condiments. Okay, I want to eat now.